begin our cable cast on, you're going to stick your needle into the slip knot that's on your left hand needle, and you're going to begin as if you're doing a knitted cast on. You're going to put your needle in, knit the stitch, and then put the loop onto your left hand hook. This is where it changes. Next, you're going to go between the two stitches, not into that last stitch made, and knit that stitch. Pull it out, place it on your needle, pull it tight but not too tight so you can work into it. Again, go through the two stitches, pull it out, pull it kind of tight. And you're going to continue this on for the amount of stitches needed, and this is going to give your edge a kind of ropey cable edge. Let me show you what that looks like. So it twists around and gives it kind of a loopy edge. This is great for buttonholes, so when you have to cast back on for a buttonhole, it's great for ribbing, and it's a nice firm edge. So that is your cable cast on, super fast stitch refresher, and I am Deja with knitandcrocheteverafter.com, and thank you for watching.